CW here, and today we're gonna learn how to do basic math operations in programming using C#. So in my last tutorial we were declaring and assigning values to different types of variables. But today we're gonna take a closer look at integers and how to add, subtract, multiply and divide them. So let's begin. First off, we will start by declaring two integers. So let's do it. Int a equals let's say 4 and int b equals 7. So let's do it again. We declare our variable and we assign a value. So a variable type integer, we assign a value 4. Same here, but we assign value 7. Now we're gonna use a sum, so we'll do integer sum. Our variable sum will be a plus b, and console, right, let's do line equals sum. It's gonna output sum. Let's take a look. Yeah, and it outputs 11. Now let's take a shorter step to this problem. We'll keep all of our declarations and assignings, and we're gonna do it like this. Console, right line, and we're gonna say this is our sum plus, then we do a bracket and we go a plus b. Now this just outputs our sum, but it doesn't stores its value, so it's gonna output the same thing, 11. Let's do a like this. It's gonna output 11, but our 11 is not gonna be stored anywhere. So let's do this for everything. So console, right line, and we're gonna go this is subtracting brackets plus b minus a, console, right line, this is let's say multiplying, I haven't spelled it right, multiplying, and we're gonna go a times b. Well, let's do dividing, right line, this is dividing. I'm very bad at English. And we're gonna do a. Okay, let's take a look at if it works. Yeah, it works. In dividing, if we want a accurate answer, so you see it's 1 but it's not exactly 1, we would need variable types of double. So let's check it out. What happens? Double A and double B. Yeah, and it's a lot more accurate. But what can we do now is so now what can we do is we can store all these values, so hypothetically we can use them later. So we're gonna do double sum equals a plus b, double let's see, difference equals b minus a, double product is times b, and double fraction equals b divided by a, and we use this variable names instead of operations. So in sum we use sum, here we use difference, here we can use product, and here we can use fraction, and voila, it's the same result. And yeah, that's how you do basic math operations in programming using C#. Also, I should say there is no limit to the amount of variables you can add or subtract or anything like that. We can add here double C equals, I don't know, 1, and double ABCD equals 11, and do plus C plus D, oops, and our sum would be 23. So yeah, this could go on forever basically. Also keep in mind these are only basic math operations that I've shown you. There's a lot more that I will show in future videos, but for now that's all. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Goodbye.